On the HP printer, let's go ahead and keep moving to the right hand side until you get to this option here that says Quick Forms. Go ahead and click on that and just wait for it to load up here. And now here we have calendars. Let's go ahead and click on calendars. Let's do a monthly calendar. We already have the month selected, November 2025, and all we have to do, just make sure we have some paper loaded in here. Go ahead and click OK. We'll just do one copy, print. And in a few seconds here, we should have the calendar for November 2025. Here it comes. And here it is. We now have the calendar here for November 2025. All straight from your HP printer. No need to use Microsoft Word or anything. So that's great. Again, it's called Quick Forms. Hope you found this video helpful.